today's session. So this is how your Desmos Graphing Calculator looks like. I will put the link in the description box. So if you want to visit this link and try drawing the graph yourself, you're able to. So let's write here the polynomial equation. So either you can type it from your keypad on your laptop directly, or you have a built-in um, keypad here for Desmos, so you can select from here also. So I'm selecting from here just to let you know how comfortably you can select all the symbols. So you have your variables, powers, inequalities, your numbers, and various mathematical operators here. So I'm selecting y is equal to x, and then because I need square, so I'll take that power. So I hope you can see how quickly when you are typing for each term you are able to see how the graph is changing. So let's type the next terms. This is a u-shaped parabola. So I'm taking the same equation to x and then minus 15. So all the terms I have here. Now because my keypad, my typing is done, I'm going to close this, hide it, and I'm going to dive deeper into the graph. So if I zoom it out a little bit, you can see it's a U-shaped parabola. And if I specifically want to know what are the roots of this polynomial equation, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit and click on the dots where the graph is meeting the x-axis. So basically negative 5 comma 0 is the point where this parabola is touching from the negative side of the x-axis, and 3 comma 0 is the point where this parabola is touching. The graph of this polynomial function is touching the x-axis. So you have got 2 points, therefore 2 intercepts, therefore 2 roots, 2 zeros, or 2 factors. So very clearly, I hope within a minute or so we could get the graph from Desmos. You can also use your graphing calculators